How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So to fix this issue, first make sure that you're logged into the correct Facebook profile. Verify your specific account details. So if you currently have access to a TikTok account on any secondary device, what you can do is open your TikTok app, then tap on a profile at the bottom right. Then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Account and then go to Account Information. Now here, look at the phone number or email listed. Your Facebook account usually shares this exact same email or phone number. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the TikTok cache. Just go back to your Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to Cache and Cellular section, then tap on Free Up Space and then tap Clear next to the cache. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.